Hello everybody. Today I will introduce to you Qualia.com, and Qualia.com is a, uh, is a digital transformation. Thousands of real estate and mortgage companies use Qualia's ununified digital closing platform to deliver simply and secure buying, selling, and borrowing experiences. And thousands of real estate and mortgage companies use this platform because they are moving the current chaotic paper based process to modern digital transaction. And it is clear that technology will play the key role in restoring healthy home ownership to the United States. And buying a home is a complicated, confusing, and stressful process. So, this platform is focused on changing that by bringing efficiency and transparency to what is often the largest purchase of someone's life. As you see, I am on the main page of kaula.com. As you see on the right top of the main page, there is a login button here. You can need to log in to use the kaula.com effectively completely. Yes, I clicked it now, and I think a login page will open. Yes, and you need to type your email here to log in, and after that you can use the kaula.com easily. And there are many solutions on the kaula.com platform. These are, and for example, wait a minute please. Yes, they are real estate agents, proptech, fintech, and title insurance underwriters. So you can get many services about real estate market here. Thank you for watching. Please share and like my videos.